Imagine you're a digital nomad, working from a different country every month. Or maybe you're an online business owner managing multiple teams and expenses. How do you keep track of your finances without a mess of physical cards? Today, we're diving into Airwallex, a financial platform that's revolutionizing how we manage our money, especially when it comes to virtual cards. If you're not familiar with Airwallex, it's essentially a digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including virtual cards. These cards are like digital versions of traditional credit or debit cards, but with more flexibility and control. So, the burning question is, how many virtual cards can you have on Airwallex? Let's find out. Well, the good news is that Airwallex doesn't impose a strict limit on the number of virtual cards you can create. This means you can have as many as you need to manage your finances effectively. Benefits of multiple virtual cards. Asterisk, but why would you need so many virtual cards? Here are a few reasons. Expense management. Assign different cards to different teams or projects for easy tracking and budgeting. Security. Limit the spending power of each card, minimizing the risk of unauthorized transactions. Convenience. Create temporary cards for online purchases or subscriptions, ensuring your primary card details remain secure. Travel. Use separate cards for different travel expenses, keeping your finances organized and avoiding unnecessary complications. Creating virtual cards on Airwallex. Creating a virtual card on Airwallex is a simple process. Just log into your account, go to the Cards section, and click on Create New Card. You can then customize the card's name, spending limits, and expiration date. Additional features. Asterisk, beyond the ability to create multiple virtual cards, Airwallex offers several other features that make it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals. These include multi-currency accounts. Hold and convert multiple currencies without incurring hefty fees. Global payments. Send and receive payments in over 130 currencies. API integration. Connect Airwallex to your existing business systems for seamless financial management. So, there you have it. Airwallex allows you to create as many virtual cards as you need, making it a flexible and convenient solution for managing your finances. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a frequent traveler, Airwallex can help you streamline your financial operations. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Airwallex, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.